Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from D&E Hair. Inside the package, I received the wig that I'll be installing, some lashes, a headband, and an edge brush. This is what the wig looks like straight out the package. As you guys can see, the knots are pretty small. I didn't bleach and customize it yet. The next clip will be showing you guys what it looks like after I styled it. Once I have the wig fitted on my client's head where I want it to be, I make a dotted line so I can know where to place my glue. Before applying my first layer of glue, I always clean my client's hairline with 99% alcohol. For each layer of glue, you want to make sure that you spread it across your client's hairline evenly so that it can dry at the same time. When I'm placing the wig down, I always try to stretch the lace and match the dotted lines on the lace and the dotted line on my client's hairline. When I'm placing the two sides of the wig down, I always try to drag it diagonally so that it doesn't have any rolls in it once it's laid into the glue. Once I have the wig down where I want it, I use my finger and press the lace into the glue so that it doesn't lift up. The first part of the lace that I always cut is the middle so that the sides can have time to melt down. When I'm cutting the lace off, I use my silver scissors and I kind of move in a zigzag motion so that the lace won't be visible once it's cut. The lace on this wig is pretty thick and white, but I'll be applying some makeup on top of the lace in the next step so that it can blend better with my client's skin tone. Once all the lace has glue under it to stick, I then apply a small amount of glue on top of the lace so that it can have a better melt. As you guys can see, all the lace is melted now, but the lace still looks white. So now I'm going to apply some of my Ruby Kiss cream foundation. I use number 12 on my client to blend the lace in some more to her skin complexion. After I use all the makeup that's needed, I then use my bed head holding spray and spray it across my client's hairline before placing the elastic band down. This is the result of having the lace melt with the elastic band on it. As you guys can see, the lace blends much better with my client's skin tone. Now I'm going to get started on my client's baby hairs. I'm going to curl all the baby hairs and then use my small red flat iron to curl them so it'll be easier for me to swoop. When I'm installing transparent lace, I always use much more makeup than I normally use so that the lace can blend. So when I'm styling my client's baby hairs, I always have to move faster than usual so that the mousse can stay foamy. Also, when I use a lot of makeup, I use more Got2b Glue gel than normal so that the baby hair can be weighed down. So after I finished styling all my client's baby hairs, I used about 5 to 6 wrap strips and I tied them down. This is the outcome of the baby hairs once it's completely dried, and I flat ironed the hair off camera. Before I hot comb my client's hairline, I use BioSilk and I place it across my client's hair, all the hairs that I'll be hot combing. Also, before I start hot combing, I always use my tail comb and comb out all the little pieces of hair that I'll be hot combing so that when I hot comb it, it falls right into place. As you guys can see, this baby hair had lifted up when I placed the wrap strips down. So now I'm just lifting up the entire baby hair, combing it out, and then I'm going to relay it down with Got2b Glue gel. I ended up doing the same thing for the sideburn baby hair because since the top one was already Got2b gel down, I just did the same thing for the sideburns. The last step after hot combing, I use my angled brush and the same makeup that I used throughout the install and outline the parts so that it can look sharp and neat. Using the same brush, I pat some makeup on the start of the lace and then I use my finger and kind of rub it in so that it can blend better with my client's skin tone. To finish up the entire install, I use my Kara wax stick and just lay down all the flyaways. This is the ending result of this install. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Continue watching for more clips of the finished look.